Good morning students and welcome for your next maths lecture. Now students, we have already begun with the new chapter, that is multiplication. Okay, so now students, today we are going to learn about multiplication, but the further part of the multiplication. So everybody should pay attention carefully. Okay, now students, today we are going to learn multiplying a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. We are going to learn today in today's lecture, that is multiplying a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Now students, multiplying a 3-digit number means 3-digit number will be a multiplicand and a 2-digit number will be a multiplier. Okay students, in the previous lecture we studied multiplying a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Now we are going to study multiplying a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. So now let us study further. Students, in your combined book number 2, page number 58, combined book number 2, page number 58, formative assessment. Okay, see in the red I have mentioned page number, that is page number 58, then combined book number 2. Okay, and in that formative assessment question number 1, multiply. Okay, we are going to start with that, with question number 1, multiply. So you have to be ready with page number 58, combined book 2, and we are going to begin with the formative assessment. Is that clear? Okay, so students, we are going to begin with the question number 1, that is multiply. In that first one you all can see, that is 819 multiplied by 12. So multiplicand is 819 and multiply by 12. So 12 is a multiplier. Okay, and they have given us the box and the multiplication sign. Okay, now let us solve this sum. Now students, you can see, first we will write the number 819. 819. So 9 is at which place? Units place. So first you will write the 9. You will write 9 at units place. Okay, then tens place, which number is there? 1. So you will write the number 1 as well as the value of the tens place, that is 0. So you will write it as 10. Okay, so you have to write, whenever you are writing the number at its place, you have to write it the number and its value as well. Okay, then the next number is 8. 8 is at hundreds place, so you will write it as 8 and double 0. Why double 0? Because it is at hundreds place. So multiplicand number you have written 810 and 9. Okay, 819. So that number is being written. After that is multiplication sign. So already they have given the multiplication sign. Okay, so the next number is multiplier. Multiplier is 12. Multiplier is 12. Now let us write. Again 2 is at units place, so we will write it as units place, and 1 is at tens place, so we will write 1 and its place value. So that is 10. So the whole question is being written. Okay students, the whole question is being written. Now let us start doing the multiplication. We will begin from the 10 multiplied by 800. Okay, so students, in this first you will multiply only 1 8 1 8 8. Okay, with 800 there are two zeros, so we'll write down those two zeros, and with 10 there is 1 0, so we'll write that 1 0. So altogether you will get the answer as 800 multiplied by 10 is equal to 8000. Okay, next multiplication is 10 multiplied by 10. Okay, don't look at 0, just look at 1 multiplied by 1. So 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, and plus that 1 0 and the 0 at the above, so that includes 2 zeros, so that the number is 100. 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100. Next multiplication, 10 multiplied by 9, so it is 10 nines are 90. Okay, so multiplication with the tens is over. Now students, we will do the multiplication with the 2 units place. 2 8s are 16 and those two zeros at hundreds place. So you will get the answer as 1600. Okay. Next, tens place. 2 tens are, it is 20. Okay. And units place. 2 nines are is 18. Okay, so students, the multiplication process is over, but the final answer is not yet over. You still needs to do the addition. Okay, what you have to do, you have to still do the addition. So first, students, you will write the first number, that is 8,000. First you will write 8,000. After that you will write 100. Okay, then you will write 90. Okay, then 1600, 20 and 80. Okay, all these numbers are being written. Now what you all have to do is that you have to do the addition. So give plus sign. Now let us do the addition. Units place, it is 0000 plus 8. So 8. Okay, then is tens place, it is 0 plus 0 plus 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. So 2 you will write, 1 you will carry there. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. Okay, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So at hundreds place you will carry 1. So 1 plus 1, it is 2. 2 plus 6, it is 8. Okay, and 8 plus 1, again it is 9. So the answer is 9828. Okay, this is the first sum, and you have to solve in the similar way in your combined book as well. Is that clear? Now let us proceed further. Second one. Now students, here second one, it is 545 multiplied by 38. It is 545 multiplied by 38. Okay, now first let us first write the number 545. So 5 is at units place, that you will write at units place. 4 is at tens place, you will write 4 and 1 0 because the place value of that place. Then the next number is 5. 5 you will write at hundreds place plus 2 zeros because the value of that place. So that number you have written, multiplication you have written, multiply by 38. 38 is a multiplier. So 8 you will write at units place. Okay, and 3 you will write at tens place, that is 3 and 0, that is 30. Now let us do the multiplication. Okay, now here while doing the multiplication, 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 3 zeros, that is 15,000. Okay, next number 30 into 40. 30 multiplied by 40. So 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 2 zeros, that is 1200. And the next number is 30 multiplied by 5. That is 150. Okay. The next number is 8. Now we will do the multiplication with the multiplier 8. Okay. 8 fives are 40 plus 2 zeros. That is 4000. Okay. 8 fours are 32 plus 1 0. That is 320. And 8 fives is 40. Okay. So students, in this sum we have finished with the multiplication process. Okay, now the next step is, but the answer is not yet over. So the next step is what? It is addition. So now let us do the addition. Okay, so the first number is 15,000. Next is 1200. Okay, then the next is 150. Next number is 4000. Next number is 320. And the last number is 40. Okay, now let us do the addition. Okay, addition, students, you can see at units place you will write 0 because everywhere it is 0. Tens place 0 plus 0 plus 5, 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 4, it is 11. So 1 you will write, 1 you will carry. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 3 again 7. Okay, that thousands place, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 4 10. So 0 you will write, 1 you will carry, 1 plus 1 2. So the answer is 20,710. Okay, now students, let us proceed further with the third sum. Third sum is 953 multiplied by 38. Third one is 953 multiplied by 38. So students, in this 953 is a multiplicand and 38 is a multiplier. So let us first write the multiplicand. Okay. So at units place we will write 3, tens place 5 and 0 50, and hundreds place 9 and 00, that is 900. Okay, then we will write the next number, that is 38. So units place 8, tens place 30. Now let us do the multiplication. Now 3 nines are 27 plus 3 zeros, that is 27,000. Okay, 3 fives are 15, 15 plus 2 zeros, that is 1500. Okay, 3 threes are 9 plus 1 zero, that is 90. Next number is 8. Now let us do the multiplication with the 8. Okay, 8 nines are 72 and plus those two zeros which are there at the hundreds place. Okay, 8 fives are 40. You write 40 and plus 1 zero which is there at tens place. And 8 threes are 24. Okay, now students, now let us do the addition. Okay, now what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to do the addition. So first number you will write it as 27,000 plus 1500 plus 90 plus 7,200 plus 40 plus 24. Okay, all the numbers are being written after multiplying whatever answers you have got in each field. All those numbers are being written. Now the final step is that you have to do the addition. Okay, now let us do the addition. Units place 0 plus 0 plus 0, everywhere it is 0 plus 4. So write that plus 4. Okay. Tens place it is 0 plus 0 plus 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. So 5 you will write, 1 you will carry. Hundreds place. Hundreds place 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Okay. Thousands place. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 7, it is 15. So 5 you will write, 1 you will carry at 10,000s place. So 2 plus 1, it is 3. So the answer is 35,854. Is that clear, students? It is very important. This is also an easier method of multiplication, or else you can write the other method of multiplication as well. But while multiplying the numbers, just see carefully that whether you are adding the zeros which are there in the place values. Okay, those place value zeros also you need to add while doing the multiplication. Now let us proceed further. Fourth one. Fourth one, it is 610 multiplied by 45. 610 multiplied by 45. So now let us write the first number, that is multiplicand, that is 610. Okay, now let us start from the units place. So units place we will write 0, tens place 1 and 0, 10. Hundreds place it is 600. The next number is 45, which is a multiplier. So units place 5, tens place 40. Okay, now let us do the multiplication. 6 fours are 24 plus 3 zeros. Now how 3 zeros? Look, 2 zeros here are at hundreds place and 1 zero is with 40. So that 40 is having that 1 zero, that 1 zero you will calculate, and the 2 zeros which are there with 6. Okay, so 6 fours are 24 plus those 3 zeros. So that is 24,000. Okay, now 40 multiplied by 10. So 4 ones are 4. Now 1 0 1 is having, and the another 0 4 is having. So those two zeros. So 4 and 2 zeros. So that the answer is 400. So 40 multiplied by 10 is 400. Okay. The next is 40 multiplied by 0. It is 00, because the 1 0 which is there at tens place. Is that clear? Okay. Now the next number is 5. 5 6 are 30 plus 2 zeros, that is 3000. 5 tens are 50 and 5 zeros are 0. Okay. Now here students, we have done the multiplication. Now let us proceed further with the addition. First we will write 24,000 plus 400 plus 00 plus 3000 plus 50 plus 0. Okay. Now units place it is 0 0 0 everywhere, so we'll write it as 0. Tens place it is 0 0 0 plus 5, so we'll write 5. Hundreds place it is 0 plus 4 4 plus 0 4, so we'll write it as 4. Thousands place 4 plus 3 7, and 10,000s place 2 will come as it is down. So the answer is 27,450. Okay, so the answer is 27,450. Fifth one. Fifth one is 407 multiplied by 55. Fifth one is 407 multiplied by 55. Okay. So students, in this first the multiplicand is 407 and the multiplier is 55. So now let us first write the multiplicand. Units place you will write it as 7. Tens place 00 because at tens place it is 0 and the value of it place that is 0. Hundreds place we will write it as 400. Okay. Then the next number is multiplier. Multiplier is 55. So units place 5 and tens place we will write it as 50. Is that clear? Okay. So now let us do the multiplication. 5 fours are 20 plus those 3 zeros, that is 20,000. 50 multiplied by 00, that is 000. 57s are, that is 350. Okay. Next number 5 multiplied by 400, that is 2000. 5 double zeros are, it is 00. Okay, and 5 sevens are 35. Okay, now let us do the next step, that is what? Addition. So first we will write 20,000 plus 000 plus 350 plus 2000 plus 00 plus 35. Okay. So all the numbers are being written for addition, and after doing addition, students, will get the final answer as 22,385. You will get the final answer as 22,385. Now let us proceed with the next sum, that is sixth one. It is 781 multiplied by 90. It is 781 multiplied by 90. Now let us write it in the box. Units place 1, tens place 80 and hundreds place at 700. Then is multiplier, that is 90. Units place 9, tens place 90. Okay, now let us do the multiplication. 9 sevens are 63 and those 3 zeros. So 90 multiplied by 700 is 63,000. 9 eights are 72 and those 2 zeros. So that is 7,200. And 90 ones is 90. Okay, the next number is 0 multiplied by 700. So the answer is 000. 0 multiplied by 80 is 00. And 0 ones is 0. Okay, so the multiplication process is done. Now let us do the addition. First 63,000 plus 7,200 plus 90 plus 000 plus 00 plus 0. So after adding, students will get the answer as 70,290. After doing the addition of all these numbers, we will get the final answer as 70,290. So all these 6 sums of page number 58 I have solved, and students, you have to solve on your own in your combined book all these 6 sums. Is that okay? Yes. Now students, we have completed with the page number 58. Okay, now next is page number 60. Okay, next is page number 60. You can see on that page question number 2 is multiply, and those are word problems. Those are word problems of multiplication. So now let us see how to solve word problems of multiplication. So first question is, the concessional rate of one English dictionary is rupees 175. If 31 students in a class give their teacher that amount for the dictionary, how much money has the teacher collected? Means now students are taking the English dictionary and the price of one English dictionary is rupees 175. एक इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी का प्राइस कितना है 175 और क्लास में कितने बच्चे हैं 31 स्टूडेंट्स है क्लास में. तो अगर एक एक बच्चा एक एक डिक्शनरी खरीद रहा है तो each student is paying 175. So if one student is getting 175 rupees for one dictionary, so how much money 31 students will how much money will be collected after giving dictionary for 31 students? So that we have to find out that how much money has the teacher collected after giving the dictionaries to 31 students. So the first step is that you need to do the multiplication. Okay, so in that the how you will do 175 multiplied by 31. You will do 175 multiplied by 31. So I have written 175 in the boxes. Then I have done the multiplication, that is 30 into 100 is equal to 3000. 30 multiplied by 70 is equal to 2100. 30 multiplied by 5 is equal to 150. Okay, so the next is 1 multiplied by 100 is 100. 1 multiplied by 70 is 70 and 1 5 is 5. Is that clear? In this way you have to do the multiplication. Then you need to do the addition, that is 3000 plus 2100 plus 150 plus 100 plus 70 plus 5. So you'll get the final answer as 5425. You'll get the final answer as 5425. So students, the last statement will be the teacher has collected rupees 5425. How much money does teacher has collected? Teacher has collected rupees 525. Is that clear? So students, in this way you have to solve the word problems of multiplication. Now students, I have explained you all the word problems of multiplication and also I have explained you all multiplying a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Okay, so these two concepts have been cleared. Now on the basis of those two concepts I am giving you all homework, that is on page number 59 and 60. Page number 59 and 60, that is in your combined book. In your combined book, page number 59 and 60, that is your homework. Those two pages are there for homework. And complete page number 58 in your combined book. Page number 58 means those 6 sums which I explained you all just now in the video. Those sums you have to copy down in your combined book on page number 58, and the homework part is page number 59 and 60. Page number 59 is those 6 sums and 60 is 4 word problems. Among them, first one I have solved, remaining 3 you have to solve it on your own. And this is your homework for today, and you have to complete your homework and you have to send it to me on my personal number by today itself. Okay, so students, with this we are going to end with our today's lecture. And also students, today we have completed the chapter, that is multiplication part 1. This chapter we have completed with all these parts. Now in the further lecture we are going to begin with a new chapter. Is that clear? So thank you for today's lecture.